Let's see how easy it is to get started with WordPress 6.0 full site editing. If you have a SiteGround account with unlimited sites, you can easily spin up a fresh WordPress installation by doing new website, temporary domain, start a new website, WordPress. Okay, I will put in a login and a password for my WordPress site. Okay, it offers me the chance to put in site scanner for my temporary domain, which I won't do. And I will go ahead and time it to see how long it takes to install our new site. Alright, installation actually took 2 minutes, which is a little bit longer than usual, but 2 minutes still isn't bad. Here we can log into our site right here, or take us to the back end right away. And it gives us this WordPress starter. I'm going to exit that. And I'm going to disable a plugin that comes up that filters some of the themes. So I'm going to, first I'll go to plugins, this SiteGround Central. I'm going to deactivate that just so that I'm able to filter out the right themes. So now I can go to appearance themes, new, and this right here, feature filter, is what I was hoping for. Check full site editing, apply filters at the bottom. And these are all the free full site editing sites that you can install. And you can mess around with them, you're on a temp site. So it's really easy just to delete it and spin up a new one if you mess it up. I'm going to go ahead. I did a tutorial on Ona and I'll leave that in the description, but that's a really nice blogging site. But yeah, if I choose this Blockify one, I'll install that and activate it. Now we can see visit site. We are using a full site editing theme with a nice template. You know, it's really, it's just a really easy way to get started with these unlimited sites hosting package with SiteGround. The way that you would activate that is, I'll leave a link in the description, but you would just click WordPress hosting, and it's this middle one here for $5 a month, unlimited sites. So if you mess it up, you just delete it, start a new one. If you like what you got, you can go ahead and migrate it over to a real domain and you're good to go. So I hope you found this helpful and I will see you next time.